Welcome to YC. So beautiful, so lightweight and so softy Georget saree collection is here. So beautiful color combinations. And saree throughout kuda chevron weaving concept అనేది రన్ అవుతుంది and very grand borders అండి. చిన్న borders అయినా కానీ చాలా pretty ఉంది contrasting shade తో and so grand pallu is here. ఇది వచ్చేసి pallu part and blouse చూద్దాం. Contrasting blouse with nice borders both sides kuda. And saree all over. Have a look. Hi, welcome to YC. So beautiful color combination to Georget saree collection is here and with so beautiful chevron concept and beautiful color combinations. And 3 to 4 shades అనేది రన్ అవుతుందండి and both side borders వచ్చేసి weaving part చిన్న border అయినా కానీ చాలా pretty ఉంది. Both sides కూడా equal అండి. And pallu is here, so grand pallu and blouse contrast blouse అండి. Pink color combination to blouse వస్తుంది with nice borders both sides కూడా. And saree all over. Have a look. So pretty, so softy, so lightweight. Hi, welcome to YC. One more beautiful color combination చూసేద్దాం in Georget saree collection. So beautiful color shades are here and chevron weaving concept చాలా pretty ఉంది. Both side borders వచ్చేసి red color combination తో చిన్న borders అయినా కానీ చాలా neat గా ఉంది. Detailing weaving part and pallu is here, so grand pallu and blouse contrasting blouse with nice borders red color combination. And have a look, color combinations అయితే చాలా pretty ఉంది totally. Hi, welcome to YC. One more beautiful Georget saree collection is here and with nice color combinations. So beautifully chevron weaving concept saree throughout kuda run అవుతుంది and so beautifully borders and so intricate both sides equal length detailing weaving part and so grand pallu is here in contrasting shade and here is the blouse with both side borders and color combinations అయితే చాలా బాగుంది. Have a look. So softy.